In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete starred Gmail emails. So I'm starting off by opening up Gmail in my browser, and once everything loads, I'm right here on the main inbox screen where all my emails are listed. Now I'm going to make sure I'm in the mail view, which is usually the default, so if you're seeing your inbox, you're already in the right place. From here, I'm going to move over to the left sidebar where all the folders and labels are listed. I'll just take a second to scroll a little if needed until I find what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for here is the starred section. Once I see starred on the left side, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. As soon as I click it, the main screen updates, and now I'm looking at all the emails that I've marked with a star. At this point, I can see the full list of starred emails. These are messages that were marked for importance or saved for later, and they're all grouped together here. I'll scroll a bit so I can see more of them on the screen. Now I'm going to select one of the emails that I want to delete. I'll click on it to highlight it, and once it's selected, I'm going to move up to the toolbar and look for the delete icon. It usually looks like a trash can, so I'll go ahead and click on that. As soon as I click delete, the email is removed from the starred list and moved to the trash. I'll notice right away that it disappears from this view, which means it's no longer in my starred emails. Now I can repeat the same thing for any other starred emails I want to remove. I'll just select another one, click the delete icon again, and it's gone. It's the same process each time, so it becomes really quick once you get the hang of it. At this point, I can go through as many emails as I want, selecting them one by one and deleting them. I'll just keep clicking, selecting and deleting, and the list gets cleared out as I go. So as you're doing this yourself, it's really just opening Gmail, going to the mail view, clicking on starred in the left sidebar, selecting an email, and clicking delete. It's straightforward and doesn't take much time. And that's it. Your starred emails are removed and your starred section is now cleaner and easier to manage.